All right, hello friends. I found this new website called Mintable.app, and I created an account. And when you do that, you get a profile. So here's my profile. You can create a store. Click on settings. You can change your image. Obviously your name will be there. You'll have a wallet, and then you put your information about you. And then I actually copy this, and then I'll put that in my NFTs. So to create an NFT, so I want to show you here my NFTs so far. I like to go on an Ethereum type theme. I also am a very big fan of Dogecoin, and I like to make Dogecoin memes. And I like to take art and create it with masterpieces of art also, using similar techniques, but using Photoshop and Image Ready to animate. So pretty cool, huh? I use Photoshop 9, so if you can get a copy of that, that has Image Ready that you could use and make GIFs. So there you go. That's, there's a lot of programs you can do that. So anyway, what I'm going to show you is actually how to create an NFT. Click here. What's cool is it's free. I can't even believe it. It's like free. You have to pay a gas fee when it sells other things, but I mean, you don't have to do it before, so that's cool. You got to have a wallet. You have to have this thing called the MetaMask wallet. You have to log in. You'll see that we're connected. Here's your Ethereum account. They also have it connected to the same account. See, bear with me. Okay, sorry. If you already have it in a wallet like OpenSea, so like if you have OpenSea stuff, here's OpenSea. I have some NFTs. You could click on that it's already in your wallet, and you put the address, and then they could sell it, and then they transfer it from there to there. But I'm going to do create a new item. So you click that. If you click on advance, you can like you can click on gas list where there's no, but it won't be in your wallet. See? And there's transact with, has the Ethereum gas. But I'll go with the traditional easy. There. All right. So first thing you want to do is you want to click what you're offering. I'm obviously offering art. Well, not obviously. I mean, I might make videos, right? Okay. So I previously copied, and I'll paste. Then I will, because I want a subtitle, I'm going to also paste it here, and then I'll just delete this first part. And okay, that's right. I remember that. Okay. Listing subtitle, it only lets you put a certain amount. So you're going to want to go here and cut it away and then paste it. And then I'm going to take away this stuff. And there we go. So there's subtitle. Click on your private file. Push open, downloads it. When that's done, you're going to want a preview image. Then you're going to paste your description. And then you're going to want to type everything. So unfortunately, I have the phone in my hand for your support. Maybe 2 P's would be better than 2 O's. All right, transfer. You want them to be able to do anything they want with it. Then I like to use auction with buy now. And I like to try to get 1 Ethereum coin, because why not? And then I'll just ask for some crazy number. See, look at that, 50 medium math. So I'll do like 50, like that. 27 Ethereum. Wow. Now here you could pick how many hours or days. I'm gonna do the whole 7 days. When you push yes, it says you're about to send one transaction. Try to say that fast, to the blockchain. And then you have to proceed, or you'll be like, whoa, wait, cancel, I wrote something wrong. Proceed, bam. Now the MetaMask opens. Here's the mainnet, Mintable. They mint it for you. There's the contract. You push sign in. It signs in and bam, you are there. Click view your item, and there it is. Mona and Ethereum Premium ETH fueled NFT digital art. 5-star. Top seller. And I only asked for 5% royalty. Other people asked for 10. Okay, I'm crazy. I'm really crazy. This will pay all my bills off. And I will be free and clear just by one purchase of this beautiful. So silly. It's kind of comedy is what it is. Okay. You can boost it. Kind of cool. They have these budgets that you can pay for. You're going to have money in your meta. Obviously, I have 0. I got to top it off. You know, you can see all your images right here. It's kind of cool when you click on that because it kind of tells you all your stuff right there, you know. Earnings. Wah. Orders. Nope. Reviews. Kind of not yet. Listings. There they are. Oh yeah. Smiling dog. So any purchase of any of these items here literally will just change my world. And I hope it does yours too. Please follow for more future events.